Morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad, and I am doing I think I'm gonna do one of these Friday little trifectas, little hat trick of hiking, if you will. I'm at Shiprock Nature Preserve south of Lancaster, and I think I'm just gonna do like 3 short area hikes here. I'm meeting a friend for lunch today, and yeah, it's just a couple places around here that, you know, maybe I haven't been to. They're short places, so I'm just gonna catch up and knock a couple of them out. So, man, this one just started with a nice little climb from the road down there. So right off the bat, heart's pumping a little bit. So here we go. So we reached the top and leveled out here. It looks like we're up on the left slope, which I guess is the west. Over on the eastern side, looks like there's another slope over there, and I feel like there's a stream down there in the middle. Go wrap around this way, and I think we're gonna bend around to the right there, so hopefully we'll go down by that stream on the way back. Shiprock here is a Lancaster Conservancy property, and just want to thank them as always for taking care of these natural places and stewarding the land, if you will. Got a very well marked blue blaze trail here. Just came down what looks like a dry creek bed here. Some steps built in. Wrapped around the back side of the property here. Looks like there's a field over there, a couple hunting blinds. Shiprock Preserve itself is posted no hunting, but I guess once you get out there, I guess we've got some blinds. Real nice bridge over the stream here, back of the property. The wood is wet, it's a little slick going up. Nice tall bridge over the stream. Definitely room on the sides. Kids want to get down there and play in it. A lot of little rocky sandbars. I slip on my butt here going down. It rained last night and most of yesterday, so trail is a little juicy. At this point, it looks like the trail goes on. And there's a blaze over here. I just kind of feel like I'm in somebody's backyard right now. This is as far as the map goes on all trails, so I'm going to turn back around and go across that bridge and make my way up. There's a couple places where the trails split, where I just went left each time. So when I go back now, I'll choose left again and kind of hit every little bit of trail around here. So we were farther upstream when we crossed before, and it was kind of dry, but here seems like some water is draining in. We're on our way back, taking a little different path here. So this, you see that exposed tree over there? I feel like this bank has fallen away not too long ago, honestly. So I feel like this little stream is in a giant trench. So I feel like there's many times where it probably is a rager and has a lot more water than it has in now. But you know, we're kind of, I think we're technically in drought conditions right now, even though it rained yesterday. So got a little bit of a fireplace thing here. There's some metal framing on the ground. Almost looks like a bed frame. I don't see any other foundations around here, so not quite sure what this is just doing right in the middle of things, but maybe the rest of the house was removed. Beautiful houses just past the borders of this preserve. We're almost done here, so gonna wrap it up and we'll head to the next place, which I haven't determined yet, but you're gonna see a title card in just a few seconds, and that's where we're going. All right, leg 2 of our hiking hat trick today. We're at Silver Mine Park, I believe. We are climbing, we're right off Silver Lake Road in Conestoga and climbing up the Red Trail here. We got a 2-mile loop here. Gonna go up through the woods here. Gonna see some lakes, I think, some streams. Should be pretty nice. Again, this one starting off with a big climb. So Lancaster County countryside, very agricultural, definitely dotted with farms, but you got these little pockets of wooded lands, and most of them have, you know, mile long, 2 mile long, 3/4 mile long trails in them, which is pretty awesome. A lot of streams cutting through. Yeah, it's real nice. Got a beautiful spring day here. It's going to be 70 degrees today. It's breezy. It's super nice. As I was coming down off that ridge, I heard water. Got a big lake, fountain. Fell over there fishing. Right up on the top of the ridge is like baseball field and everything. So all of a sudden we're on paved path with fountains and civilization, but I think we'll go back into the woods at some point. A gigantic furnace or forge or kiln right next to a little stream. One of these days I got to read up on furnaces, forges, kilns. I did a long time ago, and frankly it was kind of putting me to sleep, but there's a lot of the remnants of those things out here in Lancaster County, so I think I need to read up again and kind of get that right. So this is awesome. Almost looks like a bunker, steel bolted shut. It's like air conditioning coming out of there. Yeah, I don't know how you're supposed to get in, buddy. This thing's bolted on, but this is the silver mine. Man, I must go down a lot. There's ice cold air coming out of that slough. But this is a silver mine that it's named for. If I recall, again, if I recall in my reading a long time ago, there wasn't much silver for the pickings, so it got shut down pretty quick. But they definitely opened it to mine silver, thus Silver Mine Park. So we just picked up the white-tailed deer trail. I hope we find some white-tailed deer on the white-tailed deer trail. But that lake there kind of releases out here. I guess it's kind of a natural earth dam. Not sure if it was man-made. I guess it was. But then we're flowing out here into the stream we just saw. It runs next to the silver mine, which is like over here. Bugs are out in full force as we walk through this almost like a meadow up here. Still on the white-tailed deer trail. We're going to drop down behind the lake that we just saw earlier, kind of taking the scenic route up and around. And by scenic I just mean a couple big farms out in the distance. Bit of a muddy section here. So this stream here flows into that lake that we saw from the other side that had the bottom side dammed up. They've got a little bridge here to cross. I think we actually crossed over to the Poplar Grove Trail. And bridges are for weenies. So we're off the green white-tailed deer trail, and I think we're on the orange Poplar Grove Trail. No swimming in the lake, obviously. It's like a power generation plant just beyond this field on Poplar Grove Trail. Looks like part of a farm here. Nice and breezy up here. So we got turned around a little bit. I'm back at the first lake that we crossed is up there. Nice little tumbling run here from the lake coming down. Gonna take this way back. I feel like I've been on where this path is gonna go, and I think we've got a couple nice streams, Peckway Creek, and I think it connects with two other tributaries to give us some good water features. So we're gonna head back this way and see if we can find them. It's been about 3 years since I've been back on the juicy red trail here where Silvermine Run does run into Peckway Creek here. So I think we're gonna end up walking next to Peckway Creek the rest of the time, and I think there's some good. Path here looks like kind of a sinkhole. Tore the paved path away right here. It's erosion for you. The stream kind of got under there. A lot of trees cut over there. Yeah, I think a bunch of trees fell across, ripped out a chunk of the actual macadam. All right, stop 3. Final leg of the hat trick here. We are at Windolph Nature Preserve. This is another Lancaster Conservancy site. Shouldn't be too bad here. Just a, I think it's like a 3/4 mile little loop here, right down along the Conestoga River. So it should be nice. I'm gonna probably sprint through this one because I am have a delicious lunch to get to. And I'm pretty close by, but I'm gonna be heading up there shortly, so I'm gonna try and knock this out in about 15-20 minutes here, and then I'll be right on time for lunch. So we're coming in here and we're going counterclockwise and on kind of a thin rocky ledge over a sizable drop off here. I feel like this is one of the last Lancaster Conservancy sites that I need to do to have completed all of them. Actually, I gotta check that when I get back, but check their list on their website. But I know I'm close. I know I've been to most of them. Big fan of their work, and please support them. And yeah, a nice little area here. It's very windy. I'm got some oh man, is that an eagle? Oh, that had a very white head. That might have been a bald eagle up there. Holy cow, that would be amazing. I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled. Had a white head. I couldn't get a good look at the wing shape though. It seemed huge too. Man, I think that was a bald eagle. Anyway, very close to having done all the Lancaster Conservancy sites. Big fan, and I'm gonna have to check that fact. But we're headed down now. I can see the Conestoga River now. So that was the hiking hat trick. I did get out of here without being hit by a widowmaker, which is nice. There was a woman entering the preserve. I warned her about them. She's here to see the bluebells. I had to ask her if that was some sort of a flower. Again, not botanically inclined right now, but she was on the hunt, not to be deterred. She headed right in, and so if you're looking for bluebells, I guess now's the time, and check out Windolph Landing Nature Preserve. Even here in the parking lot, man, these trees are squeaking and squealing and blowing around here. So I am going to meet my buddy, get a burger, get a beer. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, ring the bell. Let's do this again later.